ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Kesorkar jela haduk mentah kala de penken ria haduk sau pau teli ki long yeng ki badai ki nong trei jong ki tena trei kam baper ke jela bat mentah ke kenti kesorkar kala penkre ban penken ria susu seki weipat ki long yeng ki basa hakani ke jaka hadin ba kesorkar kala de shimti jegani ke jaka no usim ke hima melil. Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad Sangma habia keren bat kilat pathai kubor haka sitarik ubnai naiwing arajar arpuwei hadin balawai ke jingelang kinhon menteri ula ongru baka jingpen ken riak jong ke sorkari ki breu ki basyong basa hatham yo maulong kadai ke balale kat kum ka an bat hak bay dai bat ke jingpen jong ke harijan panchayat komiti menteri Rangba ula ong ba amdan manoru bakhamlong halor ya ka an.
Again, as I said, these are we have already clearly made the whole aspect clear to the people that there are phases to this entire process. An entire process will be done in a phase-wise manner, and the first phase will be, as I said, the land ownership, and that has been done now. Second phase will be the shifting of the municipal office. Third phase will be shifting of the government employees, whether municipal or others, completely into the designated locations, and these are very good locations that they've been given. So that will be the third phase, and then finally we will go into the phase where we will find an amicable manner in which we will be able to ask the others or relocate the other people. But that is a process, as I said. We will see and move as it goes along, but the government, based on the decision of the High Power Committee, has decided to move in this manner. The process has started. As I said last time also to you, that 40 families had already shifted who were working at the departments. The process of the others also moving will start very soon. See, everything has to be moved in a legal manner. There's nobody can go above the law. Of course, they are giving emotionally they are charged and they're giving statements. We're ready to talk to them. We're ready to discuss with them and find an amicable way in which we can resolve this issue. We're very clear, as I said, that we need to find a solution to this. It's been pending too long, and it is for the first time in the history of the state that any government has taken a very strong step and a concrete step towards resolving a very long pending issue. So not easy, but we are committed to this, and we will carry everybody along. We will talk to the people. These might be some individuals who have mentioned this, but if you look at the overall community and the people living there, all are not thinking the same line. So we will, as I said, that's why I mentioned again and again that we will resolve this in a in a phase-wise manner, taking one section at a time, and that is a way to resolve such complicated problems. So ownership of the land has been taken by the government now. It's a tripartite agreement.